name is Bridget Mackay, and I'm an attorney. I work in practice in the area of estate planning, wills and trusts and probates, and I have an office here in Petaluma, California. And if you're watching this, you are watching one of my blogs that I give educational information on these subjects. And today I want to talk about a very exciting topic, so tune in choosing your trustee. You know, I know there's more exciting things to talk about, like the Giants going to the World Series, but unfortunately, that's not what I'm going to be talking about today. And it's a question that I get a lot. I will be in a planning meeting with new clients who are looking at the worksheet I give them and say, I don't know who to choose as a trustee. So I want to give you some guidelines. There are basically 3 areas of people that you can choose a trustee from. The first is a family or friend, and it is the most common. When you're choosing a family or friend, you want to look for certain qualities in that person. You want that person to be a decision maker. You don't want a procrastinator. You want that person to be, intelligent, or at least smart enough to know that if they don't know something, they'll go to a professional who does. You want that person to be even-tempered, willing to do the work, and that really is a huge issue. Often people think being a trustee is a great honor, but the truth is being a successor trustee or executor is a lot of work. So you want someone who's willing to put in the work, who is devoted to you and your family, and will do it not necessarily for the money, because they don't get paid great, but because that is the relationship you had with them. There are downsides and risks to a family or a friend. Sometimes it can go awry, and the beneficiaries could challenge that, and the trustee could end up not being what you thought they were going to be and do some wrong things with the trust. So the upsides is that you know them and you can communicate to them, and they know you and what your wishes are, and hopefully your family. The downside is sometimes there's some risk there. So really look at that carefully when you choose a family or friend. The second is a professional fiduciary. These are folks that are licensed by the state of California, and this is what they do. And their work is reviewed. They cost more, so it will cost your estate a little more to be administered by a professional fiduciary. But in many cases, they're folks that you can meet prior to your passing and name and have more of a personal relationship with them. Not nearly as close as a family or friend, but more so than our third choice, which is an institution. And by institution, I mean a bank or a investment agency. Schwab, Bank of America, Bank of Marin, any of those provide trusteeships. Again, both the professional fiduciary and the institutional trustees will be more expensive to your estate, but they carry less risk in administering the estates and having them be mishandled. So if you have any more questions about that or concerns, call your attorney or consult someone who can advise you on the best person to choose for your trust or will.